Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Now if you like really easy and straightforward Canva tutorials, then make sure to subscribe to stay updated from any new videos. In this video, I will show you how you can easily download your logo with a transparent background in Canva. So first we are going to create our logo. So click on create a design and then type in logo. We are going to select this one. And then here we can create our logo. Now for this tutorial, I will just pick a logo from the templates that Canva offers that you can see here on your left. So I am just going to scroll down to find one that I think will match with the video today. So I will choose this one. I'm going to click on it. And then, as you can see, you can always change the text, the elements, the fonts, and anything that you want just to make it more fitting with your own brand. So maybe I will change this to some other things. And I will say Sophie Pierce. Yes, I will leave it like this. So now we have our logo, and now I will show you how you can download it with a transparent background. And then, so on your right, you are going to click on share, and then here you can see the download button. So click on it, and then you can see the different options, but we are going to select the PNG option. Now, if you want to download this one, you will download your logo in the size that you have made it and with the background in it. Now, for this tutorial, I will show you how you can make a transparent background. So as you can see here it stands transparent background. So we are going to select this one. Now, as you can see, it stands with a little crown. This means that it is only available for Canva Pro users. So that means that you pay per month or an annual subscription for Canva. Now, the subscription for Canva Pro is not that much for all the things that you can do with it. But if you want to try it first, I will link the link in the box below, so you can use the free trial just to find out if the pro version is something for you. Now, a good side note is if you are trying the Canva Pro option, during your trial, all the designs that you have made and all the functions that you have used in the pro version, you are able to keep them also if you don't choose to set ahead with the paid program. So that aside, we are going to click transparent background, and now we are going to click on download. Now that we have downloaded our logo with the transparent background, I'm going to upload it and make a quick Instagram post just to show you how it looks like. So you go to upload, and then here you can click on upload your files. Now I have already done it. Now, as you can see, the logo has a transparent background on it. So if you click on it, you see that it has no color around it. So first I am going to select an element. Now I am going to search for a camera. I'm going to look with the photos, and maybe I'm going to select this one like this. And then I am going to put my logo on it. I'm going to click on this, and now you can see clearly that it is transparent. So you can use it as a watermark or just to put on your pictures for an Instagram post or for anything that you just want. Now, let's just say we are going to take a picture of the nature. Going to photos. Maybe I'm going to select this one. Let's say that you are the photographer and you have made this picture that you want to put on your Instagram account or on other socials. You can just click on your transparent logo and use it as a watermark in the corner or any place that you want. So this is how you can easily create your own transparent background for your logo in Canva. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did so, then please give this video a like. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope to see you guys in next videos. Thank you. Bye bye.